COVID-19 put a stop to the world of events. Brands and businesses that used live events to engage, educate, or entertain their teams, customers, and channel partners were overnight stuck with one boring option, which is webinars. We at DreamCraft Events and Entertainment asked ourselves, how do we replace the energy and the engagement of live events in the post-COVID world? Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the world of virtual events. Be it your conferences, award shows, channel partner events, milestone celebrations, training programs, or product launch events, we have a solution for your business and your brand to engage, educate, and entertain your teams, customers, and channel partners. With visually appealing ambiances, brand-specific customized sets, single presenter or multi-presenter formats, live streaming or pre-shot videos, in-studio or at-home studio sets, live audience interaction, flexibility in platform integration, static or moving camera angles. They say the show must go on, and we at DreamCraft Events and Entertainment are committed to being your genie by understanding your brief, creating your storyboard, developing the designs, supporting you with an immersive experience either in 3D virtual like this, or 3D static, or 2D experience. All you need is to be in front of a green screen, and with our HD cameras and team of virtual engineers who have pioneered this technology, we will give you the power of immersive event experience anywhere in the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, while we love and miss live events, here we are welcoming you to the new normal of safe, engaging, and immersive world of virtual events.